Hi team, this is Chris Abram from Go Math, here to do a problem as part of our Harvard Square MTEL Math series set. This is number 5 on the General Curriculum Math subtest. It goes something like this. Use the expression below to answer the question that follows. They give us this nice expression, 32, 32,629 times, because there's an implied multiplication when you have two numbers connected by parentheses, times 484 divided by 306,751. Then it says, which of the following is the best estimate of the value of the expression above? Well, and then I have these answer choices, 40, 50, 400, or 500. I guess that means if I find out this value and divide it by this value here, what would that quotient be? What would that answer be? Well, what we're going to do here is first we're going to look at this problem and we're going to apply a strategy. Now, it says estimate, right? And this is where you have to ask yourself, how could you estimate these numbers to get in a very short period of time to help you solve this problem in under 2 minutes? You don't have time to multiply this out and divide by this. So we're going to apply the strategy of front-end estimation. That's where we look at the first digit of each one of these values and we're going to round up or round down. Now, what are the rounding rules? I go up if the value is greater than or equal to, if my value is greater than or equal to 5, I go up. I go down if whatever this value here, if it's less than, if this value is less than 5, I go down. So let's think about that now in terms of this problem. Is the 2 greater than or equal to 5? The answer is no. So the 2 actually gets rounded down, and all these values get rounded down. So this top number would be 30,000. Now what about the 8? Does the 8 get rounded up or down? Since the 8 is greater than 5, it rounds the 4 up to 500. And now we have our 0 here. Is the 0 going to go up or down? It's going to go down. It's less than 5. We're not dealing with a 6. We're dealing with a digit immediately after the first one. So 30,000 times 500 divided by 300,000. A lot of ways to do this. You can be someone who likes to multiply, then reduce. I'm personally someone that likes to reduce, then multiply. So when I reduce, I'm going to reduce by factors of 10. So I can reduce one factor here, another set here, and I have some more zeros here. Now you may be saying, are you allowed to do this? Of course you are. We are, this is all connected by the distributive property, or another way of saying it's all connected. So if you're going to multiply then divide or divide by multiply, it doesn't matter the order. So right now I can still continue to reduce by factors of 10 just on the other set of numbers. So what I'm left with is 30 times 5 over 3. Now, is that all? Well, if you're really good at this, you might be like, hey, I could reduce the 3's, and this would become really a 10, and this would become a 1. So you're really left with 10 times 5 over 1. Now I'm going to do my computation. Now, this is the first time I'm going to multiply, and I get 50 over 1. I think it's easier to do this way, but obviously you could have multiplied it out. You would have gotten a large number. I think you would have gotten 1,500,000. But you know what? There's so many opportunities to make a mistake here. In fact, I think I even made a mistake here. 3 times 5 is 15. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Now if I cross out 5 zeros here, and I got 5 zeros here, I'm left with the computation of getting what is 150 divided by 3, which got me to 50. But notice, I made a mistake. And you could make a mistake too. So why not make your life easier? Reduce first, get to the easy multiplication, and then you get the answer a lot quicker and a lot more accurate. Okay team, I hope you found this helpful. check out one of the MTEL Math workshops that goes on in Harvard Square, or go to gomath.com and sign up for some MTEL one-to-one tutoring. Be groovy. Have a great day.